Good morning, students. Today's topic of discussion is advantages and disadvantages of partnership. Yesterday we have studied about what do you mean by partnership and features of partnership. Now we'll discuss what are the advantages of partnership. So let's start with the first advantage, ease of formation and closure. Yes, students, formation and closure of partnership firm is very simple and easy. To form a partnership firm, at least two members are required and there is no need of any legal formality because according to Indian Partnership Act, it is not mandatory to get the registration of partnership firm. Without registration, partnership firm can be formed. But there must be an agreement between the partners and that agreement can be even oral. In this way, partnership firm can be formed and in the same way, closure is also very simple and easy. Now the class, second advantage is balanced decision making. In case of partnership, all the decisions are taken by the partners after discussion. In this way, the decisions which are taken by them are balanced decision. Third is more funds or capital. In case of partnership, there are more funds and capital invested by partners. Because all the partners invest capital in the business, in this way more funds are collected under partnership firms. Yes, students, see the fourth advantage, sharing or division of risk. In case of partnership, all the risks are divided among all the partners. It reduces the anxiety, stress and burden level of the partners because risk is shared among all. Next advantage is secrecy. In case of partnership, there is no foundation on the partnership firm to publish their accounts from the government side. As there is no need to publish the accounts, that's why the important informations can be kept secret by the partnership firms. So students, these are the different advantages of partnership firms which we have studied, like ease of formation and closure, balanced decision making, more funds or capital, sharing or division of risks, and last one is secrecy. Now we are moving towards disadvantages. So see the first disadvantage, unlimited liabilities. You people are very much aware that in case of partnership firm, partners are having unlimited liability. It means if at any point of time, if the assets of business are inadequate to pay the debts, then personal property of partners can be utilized to pay the debts. Next disadvantage, limited resources. Students, in case of partnership, there is a limit to the maximum number of partners. In this way, the money invested by the partners is also limited. And if they want to extend the size of their business beyond a limit, it is not possible because the partners are having a limit to invest the money in the business. That's why there are limited resources in case of partnership if they are extending the size of business beyond a limit. Next is possibility of conflicts. In case of partnership, decisions are taken after discussion, but sometimes it gives rise to the conflicts if all the partners are having a different opinion and everybody think that they are superior and their decision is the best decision. Their decision is the best decision. It results in the conflicts. Next is lack of continuity. The life of partnership business is uncertain. At any point of time, it can go to end. Partnership can go to end with the lunacy. Lunacy means madness or insolvency, bankruptcy or death of any of the partner. Or you can say if any of the partner is leaving the business, partnership will go to end. And if remaining partners want to continue the business, they have to make a new agreement. Last disadvantage is lack of public confidence. In case of partnership, as there is no foundation to publish the accounts, that's why partnership firms are not publishing their accounts. This results in lack of faith among public in the partnership firms because they are not aware from the financial position of partnership firms. That's why they are not able to maintain a faith in the partnership organizations. So students, here the disadvantages of partnership firms are over. Again I am summarizing it. The first disadvantage is unlimited liabilities, then limited resources, possibility of conflicts are here, lack of continuity, and last one is lack of public confidence. So students, we have studied both advantages and disadvantages of partnership firms. But there are two sides of a coin. So if there are advantages, so there will be disadvantages also. But nowadays many people are going into partnership organizations because with disadvantage there are so many advantages also. So here our topic is ended, and if you have any doubt you can discuss with me. Thank you students.